Hello, and they also have a Leetcode number 983, minimum cost of tickets. Question way, my list of days, how you be to coin, and my list of prices, high cost. 1 day ticket price, 7 day ticket price, and a 30-day ticket price. I'm say sure. And you bit to spend the abacor trip where I'll be spending the less, right? To pay for no calculation ben bit to my spending less money for the trip, right? Into my days, right? If I say your days, on day 1 you be 2 coin, on day 4 you be 2 coin, on day 6 you be 2 coin, on day 7 you be 2 coin, on day 8 you be 2 coin, and on day 20 you be 2 coin, right? And our ticket cost so a 2 day ticket na a 2 cities. 7 day ticket no so a 7 cities, and a 30-day ticket no so 30 cities, right? And you find say, of course, I would the Biabeco Biabetia with your $2 today, $2 for two cities for 2 cities, over spend the 12 cities, right? Because I'll spend the 7, so I pay 7,777, right? In terms of expensive, because the day be better, and it doesn't even make sense. In two combinations are here. Maybe on this day, okay, on this day, I spend $2, but because I made 2 coin this day, this day, this day, and this day, and I made my spend the ABC, I say, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, make my 7 day ticket, I say. On the last day, no, I'm another 2 day ticket, and no, my 11, right? And as we have I say, okay, me to 30 back, me to 30, I made to me 2 coins, I see a 20, right? But I know to be cost still 36, right? Anytime you have check it, by different combination, you have try so many rules, no. It's almost as you issue dynamic programming, right? And our question was very similar to coin change. It is a one share coin change, a coin change solution, alright? Very, very similar idea. Now, and say so who say to get the price of a particular day, right? If you are has a now person will check it say, I say in a party must spend it 2 it can be spend me it me come cheap, right? If you say and I'm a 7 day ticket back one and can hin and can cost me what I say, right? It is her idea, no, right? Any of the best solves our question way. Basically, you be creative like a cash and I say dynamic programming I will best store price from 0 days to 20 days. Every day be about that into coin you be assume is okay into coin you spend it 2 days and the price of if I say 2 and 3 third day you still ever spend it be at 2, right? Because you spend it 2 hours even though you into coin you spend it 2 days and the 2 na never was right. And no that idea no any of the solve us our question. Into how are able to solve us our question. Right. The first no because you be create a array to the last day, no. You'll see the value of the last day, right? So last day A equal to days, the last one, right? And now days no so in a set of days. It's my 01, right? To avoid duplicates back open right? And then the next one now you be creative a memo or dynamic programming array. I best store as default day be price is 0 until the last day, right? The times and because it's a 0 index array and I say a last day plus 1 because 0 index array, you know, I start every 0 no account is a see 20, right? You know, sir. Now for the last day plus 1. This year I will start every year, right? 84 I in range. You will be looking through this memo. I check your prices on that day, right? I find the minimum price on that day. I perceive a ticket. How much? And he need to spend the minimum we can spend. But the first day, 0 day now went to coin and price near 0. In the end, will keep on as default. It's starting from index 1, right? 1, 2 days. Last day. Okay, last day. Last one. And I'm kind of down, right? If I not in days. So that day you to acquire the price because you to acquire you are spending if I say wait to acquire and now I spending 2 Ghana cedis. So now when to acquire still I was spending 2 Ghana cedis, right? Into your store now that so memo price for that day it be equal to Endra price now, the price that you spent the last time I would 2 coin, right? Into I minus 1. Else, right? Price for the day now person calculating a equal to the minimum of buying one ticket that day, right? Into price of that day I minus 1, so the 1 day ticket plus the cost of buying a 1 day ticket, right? Okay. How about a couple sort of 7 day ticket? Into 7 day ticket no we code 7 days back, right? Well, how much will a ticket cost? Oh, plus cost of buying ticket on that day. Cost of buying 7 day ticket, but you can only do this when if you are 7 days ahead, right? If IA greater or equal to 7, and yes, just buy a ticket. Seven-day ticket now, right? Costs, variable near costs, and a memo I minus 30, right? Plus cost of buying 30-day tickets. And again, we'll be to my way as long as I require calculations for 30 days ahead, right? Okay. Into say, and I hope it to me, we are not returning price on the last day, right? We only say this is how I'll solve it for finding the minimum price. Okay, so here is my messy baby was saying last day, the last day, days my converting it to set, right? And my memo last day memo na take keep cost until the last day. Started right? Range started 1 to last day plus 1. If that day is not in the days now, memo I ever price the day before. Else memo I be the minimum of I minus 1 plus costs of that day. And I say 1 minus 7 plus cost of 7 day tickets. This one can only occur, but you may see only when 7 day, right? We are in the 7 day, else cost a 7 day tickets. Now I minus 30 days plus cost of buying tickets on the cost of buying 30-day ticket. A bit might happen only when that. You are now, yeah, okay. I just missed a return memo I. Alright. Okay, into this, see any solve way in O of 1 time complexity. Alright. Into Medasi. Bye bye.